Tammy Sue stuff will be my birth or by identification card only. I'll show you my nails. Look at my nails. See my nails. This Ben Wheeler has been sending around people giving out groceries and giving out breads and stuff like that. I have said I would do the investigation on the outside. They're giving out orange juice and some avocado. The avocados were okay, but the cheese and the meat and the bread was okay, but the cheese and the meat and the oranges and the Gatorade actually contained bleach. A lot of bleach. Here, with my other hand. All I ate was just the orange, drank the Gatorade, and one avocado, and one sandwich with cheese meat. So Ben Wheeler is guilty of murder.